Hello, kids! Today, we are going on a magical forest adventure.
Yay! We are so excited!
Look, this tall tree is shaped like number 1.
Wow, number 1. Let's say it. 1.
See these 2 shiny stones? They form number 2.
Number 2. 2.
Watch that butterfly. It's flying in the shape of number 3.
Number 3. 3.
Here are 4 glowing mushrooms, and they look like number 4.
4. Number 4.
Look at the river waves. They're sparkling in the shape of number 5.
Number 5. 5.
This tree branch curls into number 6.
Number 6. 6.
Wow! 7 colorful birds are flying in the sky, making number 7.
Number 7. 7.
Look, 2 round stones are stacked like number 8.
Number 8. 8.
This hanging vine is twisted like number 9.
Number 9. 9.
At the end of the forest, the wooden gate has number 10 carved on it.
Number 10. 10.
Great job, kids! You learned numbers 1 to 10 in the magical forest.
Yay! We love learning numbers!